Hey everyone, today we're diving into the surprising origins of some of the world's most famous brands. You won't believe where these companies started. Get ready to have your minds blown. We're talking about those iconic brands you know and love, but their first products, let's just say you'd never guess it. All right, first up, we've got Nokia. You know, the Nokia with the indestructible phones. Back in the day, you wouldn't have found Nokia phones anywhere. Why? Because they were selling something completely different. Toilet paper. Yup, Nokia was all about paper products in the late 1800s. Can you imagine buying your toilet paper from the same company that would one day connect the world through mobile phones? It's crazy, right? Nokia's story is like a crash course in business evolution. They saw opportunities, adapted, and became pioneers in the tech world. So next time you pick up your phone, remember Nokia's journey. Next up, we've got IKEA, the kings and queens of flat pack furniture and Swedish meatballs. But guess what? They didn't start with Allen wrenches and those confusing instruction manuals. IKEA's story begins with something much smaller: pens. Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, started his entrepreneurial journey by selling pens to his neighbors. Can you imagine IKEA without the Billy bookcases and the Poang chairs? It's wild to think that the company known for affordable, stylish furniture started with something as simple as a pen. IKEA's transition from pens to furniture is a prime example of seeing a need and filling it. All right, let's talk about Netflix. These days, Netflix is synonymous with binge-watching your favorite shows, but before they were the kings and queens of streaming, Netflix actually mailed DVDs to people's homes. Netflix went from a DVD rental service to a global entertainment powerhouse, all thanks to their ability to adapt and innovate. From DVDs to a library of endless content, Netflix's story is all about embracing change and taking risks. Get ready for this one because we're about to dive into the world of Nintendo. You know them for Mario, Zelda, and all those awesome gaming consoles. But did you know that Nintendo's roots actually go all the way back to playing cards? That's right. Nintendo was founded in 1889 as a playing card company. From playing cards to arcade games to home consoles and handheld devices, Nintendo's evolution is a testament to their creativity and their ability to adapt. Next up, we've got LG, the company known for their top-notch electronics. But hold on tight because you're not going to believe this one. LG's journey began not with TVs or refrigerators, but with facial cream. Yep, you heard that right, facial cream. LG was originally called Luck Hui, which means lucky beauty, and they were all about cosmetics. It's wild to think that the same company that makes your smartphones and washing machines once focused on skincare. LG's transformation from a cosmetics company to an electronics giant is a story of ambition, innovation, and a commitment to pushing boundaries. Get ready to be dazzled because we're about to step into the luxurious world of Tiffany Co. Those iconic blue boxes are instantly recognizable, but what's hiding inside wasn't always sparkling diamonds. Believe it or not, Tiffany Co. started their journey as a stationery store. Can you imagine walking into Tiffany Co. for a notepad and pencil? It's a far cry from the diamond rings and exquisite jewelry they're famous for today. Tiffany Co. demonstrates the power of reinvention and evolution. They transformed themselves from a purveyor of fine stationery to a world-renowned luxury jewelry brand. Last but not least, let's talk about Samsung, the tech giant that's practically everywhere these days. From smartphones to TVs to appliances, Samsung's influence is undeniable. But would you believe that this tech titan actually started out in the grocery business? Yep, Samsung's roots are planted firmly in the food industry. Samsung's journey is a testament to their ability to adapt, innovate, and diversify. So, as you can see, where you start doesn't determine where you'll finish. These companies started with toilet paper, pens, and even facial cream. And look at them now, global giants. It's seriously inspiring. Who knows, maybe one day we'll be featuring your company on a list like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content.